So here I have the equation x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 8. So I will have to find all the possible factor of this equation. So it would be plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 8, or over plus or minus 1. Then I will plug in the negative 1 into the equation to see if negative 1 will be one of the zero of this equation. And because negative 1 makes the whole equation equal to 0, which means that is one of the factor of this, so I would use synthetic division to factor this equation out, and then I'll get x plus 1 times x squared minus 6x plus 8. Then I'll use decomposition to factor the second equation out. Then I'll get x plus 1 times x minus 4 times x minus 2. So the zeros of this equation would be minus 1, positive 4, and positive 2. Then I'll find the y-intercept by plugging in the 0 for the x. And then I will get 8 for the y, so I have 1.08. And because the highest degree 3, which is odd, and the coefficient is 1, which is positive, so the equation would be left down and right up. Because the highest degree is 3, so the maximum turning points would be 2. I know that I will need another point, so I will substitute the 3 into the equation, and I get negative 4 for the y. So now we have all of the informations that we need. So now we'll start graphing. So we have the 0, minus 1, 4, and 2. We also have 0, 8, which is the y-intercept, and we know that it's gonna be left down and right up. And I have another point, 3 minus 4, so it's gonna be right here. And I know I have 2 turning points, so now I will start the graph. So it's gonna be go up and past the 8, and then go down past the 2 to the point 3 minus 4, and then go up again, and then here's the graph.